Hello everybody and welcome to this video. For this video, I'm going to show you guys how to use font other than what's in Cricut Design Space. This is going to be specifically for the tablet version, the mobile version. You can do this on your phone or your tablet. These steps are going to be different if you're using a desktop. So I'm going to show you guys how to use a different kind of font if you're looking for something other than what Cricut Design Space has. Cricut Design Space has a variety of options for the fonts that you can use for designs, but sometimes you want something different. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that. Now, if you're looking for something specific or you just want to look through different types of fonts, you can go to this website called DaFont. DaFont.com. It has millions, if not billions, of different kinds of fonts on it. Up at the top here, we've got different categories to go through. We've got fancy, foreign, techno, gothic, basic, script, holiday. So many different kinds of fonts here to choose from, and you can, like if you're going into Gothic, for example, there's medieval, modern, Celtic. There's different options in each category. Here, right on the home page, it shows you recently added fonts. You could just go through and you can just browse fonts that they have. So if I go into, look, I'm looking for a camping type of thing right now. Yeah, the other day I was going through here looking for a distorted type of font. I used it on a hoodie I made recently. Here is the hoodie I made. The font's kind of broken up. I really liked the look of it. I imported that font from DaFont into Cricut Design Space to use it. Now, I should warn you that if you import a font into Cricut Design Space on your tablet or your phone, that font is not going to be available on your desktop. Sometimes I hop back and forth between my laptop and my tablet depending on how mobile I need to be, what I'm trying to do. I might use my S Pen on my tablet for the designing, or I might need to hop over to my desktop to get a bigger screen and use a mouse to do more work. It all depends on what I'm making or what I'm designing, if I'll be on my laptop or on my tablet. But let's look through some fonts here. I'm looking for something for a camping design. So let's look at old school. I was looking at this Nexa rust slab the other day, but I didn't end up going with that one. I don't think this is the type of font. Let me just see here what other kind of categories we've got. You see they've got distorted, destroy, horror, all kinds of stuff. What happens if I go into handwritten? See, I kind of like this inspirational doctor one. That's pretty. Sugar Crush. Let's go with this one, Lemon Tuesday. So what you will do from here, once you got your font selected, is you're going to hit the download button here to your right, and you're see the file downloaded. So next thing I've got to do is I've got to go over on, I'm going to open my files on my tablet, and I'm going to go into downloads, and here is the Lemon Tuesday zip file. I'm going to click on that and I'm going to extract it. I don't need to show it in folder. What I'm going to do is hop back over to Cricut Design Space and see here when you're in your fonts, you click on your font here and you click on the font name over on the left to bring up the list. See it popped up here along the right. What we've got here is Cricut System Bookmarked. System Bookmarked Recent. So we're going to go over to System and see here at the top, we're going to hit Import Font. Now, what we're going to do is you're going to go into your downloads and we're going to hit Lemon Tuesday. It showed up right at the top because it's my most recent download. So we're going to click on that. You're going to click on the OTF file right for this folder. It's right at the bottom. And see that? It imported right into the program. Now, after we've imported it, then we can change the color up to whatever color we might want. We'll go with black, and you would just place it wherever you want it. And that is how you import a font into Cricut Design Space. You go to this great website, defont.com. They have pretty much any kind of font you're looking for. Like, it breaks this down and shows you what all the individual letters look like and the extra characters. You can pick any kind of font you want. There's so many different ones to choose from. There's holidays, there's calligraphy, there's horror stuff, old school stuff, all kinds of stuff. Millions and millions of different kinds of fonts, and you can look around and figure out what you want. Once you've downloaded it, you've got to extract the file from your downloads, and then you go over and you click the font thing down. Let me use my pen for a second. You go in, you click this. Right now it says Cricut Sans. That's the default font for Cricut Design Space. You go over, it will bring you up into the Cricut folder. You go over to System, see System right here, and you click Import. You import it, and then you'll be able to use that font. Now, it's in my list here. Like the other day, I was making a Minecraft mug for my husband. The file that I bought came with a Minecraft font. Let me just show you guys. Hold on a second. So I was working on this Minecraft mug, and I was working on this Minecraft mug the other day, and I wanted to put all the kids' names on it. So I imported the Minecraft font that came with it. It is still in the list right here. See? I imported that the same way. It was in the download file from the package I bought, and I imported it through my downloads. I clicked over here, I clicked the system, import fonts, found it, and imported it in. I've got a couple here that I've done the same thing for. I hope that helps you with creating a design if you're not quite happy with the options that are available in Cricut Design Space. I know there's so many options in Cricut Design Space. The list is like endless. But sometimes we're looking for something different, something that Cricut Design Space doesn't offer. So I hope that helps you with a project that you're creating, how to import a font into the Cricut Design Space app. Have a wonderful day, everybody. If you enjoyed this video, remember to hit the like button. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. I do all kinds of Cricut and crafting related content. I have how to apply heat transfer vinyl, working with puff vinyl, making mugs, making paper crafts, all kinds of stuff. I do a little bit of tutorials. A little bit of how-tos, showing you guys things that I make, bringing you along my crafting journey. If you're into that kind of stuff, hit the subscribe button, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day, everybody. Happy crafting.